Toronto visiting Dallas. Coach Dwayne Casey returns to Dallas since helping them win a championship. And there's Rick Carlisle. And we are ready to go here. Jason Terry from the wing. You got to get a hand out on him. Nails the three. Dallas up 7. He likes that. Already pointing the finger early in the game. Check out this play in the second quarter. Jared Bayless goes down hard. Looks like he's grabbing that ankle. Take another look. Absolutely there. The left ankle. He rolls, hoping that he is okay. But later in the second quarter, Bargnani says, I'll make up for it. Nails the three, cutting into the Dallas lead. Looking good on that shot. DeRozan misses the jumper. Then you have the follow and the pass out again with the exclamation point. DeRozan with the slam. Nice finish at the rack. Dallas still up. Dirk. Nice fadeaway jump shot. We've seen him do that so many times. Dallas up 2, and we are in the second half. Third quarter. Calderon knocks down the 3. Dallas in control by 2, however. Raptors trying to stay in this. Shot goes up. Johnson off of the miss. Take another look. Barbosa misses the shot, but Johnson skying in. Toronto at this point up 7. Third quarter. Jason Terry to Kidd for the 3. Dallas up 2. And now we head to the fourth quarter. This game was back and forth, ladies and gentlemen. Dirk nails the jumper. 7-point lead for Dallas. But Toronto still fighting. Check out the baseline pass to Bargnani. Knocking it down. Bargnani with 30 points in the game. Terry says, I can do a little bit of that as well. Hits the pull-up jumper. He had 17 in the contest. But right here, Mahinmi, the nice drive in the lay-in. He had 19 points and 5 rebounds in the game, and Dallas would get the first win of the season, 99-86 over the Toronto Raptors.